and welcome to Mishy's Kitchen. Today we are going to make French chocolate banana toast. It's really yummy and it is used for snacks and breakfast. So first of all, before we start cooking, we need to do our 3 rules, which is washing our hands, wearing an apron to protect yourself from the messes, and always asking an adult to help you when you are using knives, the stove or the oven. So let's go wash our hands. Okay, now let's tell you what the ingredients for this recipe are. First we'll need some chocolate, then we'll need a banana, or half really. Then you'll need some sugar, 80 milliliters of milk, an egg and vanilla extract. You'll also need bread for this. So first of all, to start off, you'll need to cut up your banana, which I've already done, so let me show you. Next, you need to break up your piece of chocolate and tip it in a bowl. Once you've done that and chopped up your banana, you can add your banana to your chocolate. Next, you can mash it up with a fork. Okay, now we're going to get our 2 breads, and on one side we are going to spread all of our chocolate and bread banana. And you have to make sure that you don't miss any bit, so it's all full. Then you have to squeeze them together. After that, you're going to cut it in half. And then you can put that aside. Next, we're going to melt our butter in the microwave, or some people can use it on the stove. Either one is fine. So I'm going to put the timer for 2 minutes. We have to remove our butter. Now that we have our butter ready, we're going to add our milk into our bowl. Make sure that you're using a shallow bowl, big enough to fit a bread in. Then you add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, we're going to crack our egg into the bowl. Now we're going to whisk. Okay, so now we're going to add our butter and our sugar. The sugar has to be 1 teaspoon of it. I added more because this isn't as much as a tablespoon, so you had to add just a little more to make it a tablespoon. Okay, now we have to whisk. thing, we can get our bread, and we're going to put it inside our mixture. And make sure to flip it around so that all of the sides get it. Once we're done with that, we can put our bread on the baking tray. Now we have put them on the baking tray. This is one of our rules. You have to make sure that your parents help you put your baking tray in the stove so you don't get burnt. Okay, now I know all of you, this is the last week of school, or maybe you're already on holiday now. So I am very excited because I'm going to year 4 and I'm going to be making more videos for you guys on the holiday. So the chocolate and banana bread is in there for 8 minutes. So we have to keep monitoring it and making sure that once it's golden, we take it out. So you're going to turn it and it will be very toasty, and you're just going to let it dry. It will look like this, but it's not burnt yet. It's just very cool. So I have flipped my banana and chocolate toast, and I can't buy it right now because it's very hot. And you can drink this with a cold drink or a hot drink. And I just have to say it's very delicious. You could have it for breakfast and you could have it for lunch, also at school. So thank you for watching Mishy's Kitchen, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye, see you next time on Mishy's Kitchen.